Hi, teacher. I'm gonna start with my construction of the database. First of all, I want to show you which databases I choose and you approved. First of all, here we have a database that is related with cases of interpersonal violence and taxes about 100,000 inhabitants, as you can see here. Here we have the division between the code of the municip, the name of municip, the cases, number of cases, and I have another one that is this one. It's a bigger one, and we have here some different data that is better organized bit inside each municip and inside each place. Here we have the ages in sectors. So I will try to organize these two databases in one and make a related database. So let's begin. First of all, I'm gonna try to organize this. Creating this part, eliminating it. We have, and I'm gonna delete this. That's all. And the second one is this. I'm gonna delete this. This is all organization. Second one, I'm going to delete the duplicates. We don't have duplicates here, and here same thing. I apologize about the noise because I am at the college, at the university, the campus, and here we have another people doing other activities. So sorry about the noise that you're gonna listen, I think, through all the video. Well, that's it. Second one, I'm going to try to make these databases more organized. So first of all, we have coded, we have here the code, so I'm going to change this because the database is already organized. We have the number of cases. I don't have too much things to make in this one, so I'm going to name this database database 1, and the second one, this, I have to organize a little bit more. So this is original database 2, and this, let me see, here we have the code, because if you see this, for example here, we have the same code that we have in the other one. We have, this is a bigger one because it's in all Colombia, in all the country, and I think we can delete all this information because we want to organize only in the Cundinamarca department. So I'm going to delete all the things that don't mention Cundinamarca apart. So I'm going to delete this one, and this is Cundinamarca, but we don't have here a discrimination of the information in the other municipios. And we have another big difference between the two databases that we have here. 1 year, years, 2020, 2021, as you can see, at 2025, for example here. But in this one, we have only cases of last year, 2024. So it's going to be interesting to find the differences. Here we go. This is the kind of information that is organized in some kind of subcategory, if you can see. This is very interesting because it's going to be very, very useful to our database. Sorry. Dimension, subcategory. Well, I'm going to make one fact table here called category or dimension if you want. We have here dimension. I want to import to the other one the data, the date, here, the year, the dimension. That is the most important. And last one, these two. But I'm going to organize later a little bit more. Okay. Sorry, I want to know if all this it's the same. So it's possible to delete these two columns here because it's not relevant information. Okay. Great. And area. It's another one that I'm going to put in the another, that is a subfact table. I'm going to make here subfact table, and it's called subcategory. And that's it. Let me see. And we are going to code right now in some lookup tables the information. Let's go. Let's do it. Lookup table. So if you can see, we have here the code. So we put here, and we are going to delete all the duplicates to have only one of each. Let me see. Sorry. Sorry. That's it. Let all set the same names, and here we have in this fact table we can put this, only this. This is going to be very important to make, to put all the departments by ID only. Well, dimension, we're going to create another one that is called lookup table dimension. And I'm going to put the names in Spanish to make a little bit easy. Sorry, this I'm going to name only fact table. And the dimensions are here. Let me see if we have another one, because it's the same, it's not relevant. Okay, I think we can delete this one because all is the same. So we're going to delete. Good. We're going to put here lookup table subcategory. To put all the subcategories here, we are going to delete this one. Sorry. Here we go. Subcategory. Sorry. We have here ID subcategory. We are going to delete here the duplicates. We have only 4 subcategories. Let's do it. That's it. Great. And we're going to organize here. We're going to create here a column that is called ID subcategory. And I'm going to choose the function buscar. Sorry. I apologize because I had to pause my video yesterday. I had a problem with my Excel, and at least at the moment I must work in the web version of Excel. So great. I was making a lookup table of the subcategory here. I have a table of the 4 subcategories. That was the last thing that I had made. And now I'm going to put here in the original database the code of this, the ID of the subcategory. I'm going to create this column, subcategory, and I'm going to put here the form buscar X. Let me see. And let's go. We are going to put here the form buscar X. I'm going to search this, and I select the origin, this, and 0. Sorry, this is bad. Here we have. Sorry. That's it. Let's put here F4, and off you go. You have here all the code of subcategory. I'm going to name in Spanish because all the database is in Spanish, so it's easier to manage it in this language. I'm going to cut and put this in the fact table here at the place of the subcategory, because the fact table is going to work only by the code, the ID. Sorry if this process is slower, because in the web version is, you know, a little bit slower. And I'm going to make right now the same thing with indicador. I'm going to delete this, insert here ID indicador, and put the format. Sorry, I must change the format. this. Sorry, I must create first of all the lookup table of indicator. Here I have here. That's it. And I'm going to delete here all the duplicates. And I'm going to select only indicator. That's it. We have 94 categories here. So, sorry. And let's put exactly 94. And now we can do the thing that I want to do before. So, buscar X, this value here, here, F4 to fix it. What to, sorry. No. That's a mistake. Here. No. I don't know what's going on here. Sorry. A 4 and last one 0. That's it. And if you see the first cell here, I know. Sorry, I don't know what happened here. Again, this here, what to return, what value to return, and just 0. So I have to fix it. I don't put here the first value. It's very important. F4 to fix it, and you go. Sorry, that's it. And oh my god, this is so slow. I apologize. That's because the database is really big, so it's difficult for this program to manage it. And indicator, no, and the fact table we replace with ID indicator, indicador in Spanish. And that's it. Municipios, I don't know. Yeah, we have here the all the codes of the different municipios. Okay, let's see. It's a fact table. Oh, sorry. Oh, yeah. I have to put here the other values that are not in the fact table. We have only dato, ID municipio, año, subcategoría indicador, and let's see. Area, probably we can put here. We're going to select this one, these three datas, and put in the fact table. It's a really big problem always. And we're going to organize here. That's it. And this is going to be related with the fact table in the dato and año. And I don't know if I'm going to have another lookup table, probably for area. Let's put it. And let's take it and put here. Probably this is not necessary, but it's better to do it. We're going to replace only this 2 because total is not a specific area, it's only total. Total. Let's see, here we go, 1, 2, and in the original database we're going to create another column here to put ID area, and again buscar X, this value, this. My god, this is very slow. This one, these two values, fix it. What to return? These two values, fix it. 0 here, 0. That's it. And in this way we are going to relate this fact table with another lookup table, and it's more logical to do the process. Probably this is not really important at the moment to make the database analysis in Tableau, but it's better to organize in a better way the database itself. It's a fact table. Sorry, I put it in another column that is not the right one. I must wait. So, now what's happening? And well, I have here the ID area, and I must put here another value, that is the total. No, this is not necessary because the totals are here. So that's it. We are going to export now to download, but I want to here because we are going to use a file that it's on my PC. So let's put it here. Here we go. Here we have in the, and let's put here in the final. That's it. We are going to replace it. Yeah, and that's it. We are going to start with Tableau right now. Ay, Dios, esto no puede quedar en el video. Bueno, ahorita lo quito. Porque sale tu nombre. No, pero se puede quitar en el Camtasia. Aparte. Estoy quitándole la... Well, that's it. Here we have the Tableau, and we're going to connect to these two files in the file in the folder that I select before. That's it here. 14. And this is the first one. And another one that I want to connect, another one here. That is this one. That's it. First of all, here I'm going to put, probably I must do another thing that I didn't do, but let's see what's happened. That's it, exactly. And we have here fact table, it's very big, so we have to wait, and put here the fact table first. Oh, what's happening? La relación no tiene campos coincidentes. Oh, yeah, we have a problem here. Well, I was checking for this file, and we have here the ID municipio, and municipio, that is the data that are going to connect the two databases. So that's it. And here I'm checking for the mistake that it's not allowing me to connect the fact table and the fact table. I don't know what's going on here. Probably this fact table is not necessary. Probably I'm going to only check this, put here in this column, and delete this one. It's better. Okay, it's ready. I'm going to again to download a copy here in the folder. Let me wait here. I'm going to put here. Okay, yes, and that's it. Let's begin again. Let's destroy this and this, and we're going to that's it, I think. No, it's better to add again the database here. Here we have, and another one is this. That's it. That's it. here we have the fact table. This the lookup tables. Look, area. Oh no, what's going on? What's happening? Ah, yeah. Yeah, I know. I found another problem. Sorry about that. Because it's not. No, but here we have the. I don't know what's happening here. My God. Well, it's. Let me see. Oh no, it's not loading the ID. Oh my God. I found the problem. Sorry, it was that the download was not working. So I'm going to delete this. That is the failed, the database that is failing. Let's wait. Sorry, my computer is a little bit slow today. I don't know why. And here we have the ID array. That was the problem before. Let's see. We have indicador, municipios, subcategoría, the original database we don't need, and the another one database. Sorry, here we have a problem here. What is the subcategory? Let me see. ID subcategoría, ID subcategoría, ID subcategoría. It's because it's written different. So well, and finally here we have the another one. That's this. Let's put here database one. Yeah. That's it. We are ready to begin working in our sheets of work. Okay, let's begin with the geography data. So we are going to put here municipio. Oh no, this is going to be I think a problem, because I think that Tableau doesn't have the municipios loaded by map función geográfica. So let's put here provincia, municipio, condado. That's it. And let me see what happened here. Oh, here we have. Okay, it works. So we have here, we are going to begin with a map that is going to indicate me the number of cases that we have in each municipio of Cundinamarca. So we are going to have here the total, casos total, here in tamaño. And we are going to apply. That's it. It's very interesting. So we can here find the municipios Soacha, Madrid, Facatativa, El Rosal, etc. with the number of cases, and we can in only a look, fast look in the map, to find where are the municipes that have the most part of the cases of violence. Here we have, and we are going to name this sheet of work in map cases by municipio. That's it. We have the first one, and we are going to make another one that I want to make this in color. No, sorry. It's better to do again with Casa Total color. And let's make a heat map that is going to be better. So we have here the indication in colors. It's very interesting. Okay, let's see another one, and we are going to build here to in an indication of a graphic of, let's see, let me think, probably here subcategoría. Yeah, excellent. And we are going to put int población in the population, and in the cases of women, for example, and the men cases separated in the different populations. We're going to delete this one because we want to find this. How many cases are we have in these three subcategories? That is very easy. So cases by subcategory. Let's continue. Sorry, because I have to change my ambience. Let's make another sheet here, and here we are going to compare the case in men and women. So we are going to put here in as exactly as columns, and here we're going to put here by filtered by municipio. No, this is a little bit different. No. Oh my god. Let's put here in another way. No. No, I must put in another way. Let me see. Okay. Okay. Let's see, like that. No, sorry. I understand. Yeah, here we have. And this is number of cases. Men, women. And let's put a little bit color here. Unfiltered by municipio. Let's see the filter here, and we are going to put here in a list, so we can find, for example, here in Chuachillo, Chocontá, how many cases. It's very interesting. Let's let like that. For shit, I'm going to make another one. We are going to relate here the maybe the indicator. We have the indicator that we have a lot of information here. Let's see. And we are going to relate by municipio here. No. Probably here, municipio. We are going to put here as a measure of account, but discrete. Here we have. And let's put here total tax here. No, this is not a relevant. The total of cases. No, it's not relevant. No, we can take like that. And this is no, this is not so relevant. So we're going to put here only the total cases. No, it's not. This is not related here. Probably it's not a good idea. Exactly, probably here. The area. No, the area. Oh, the year will be. Yeah, exactly. And let's put here the case, the total cases. No, this is not good, because probably the data are not related. Let's see. What can we do here? No, I think that could be maybe better in another way. Let's put here the subcategory, probably, yeah, and the and sorry, I don't know, probably this is the most relevant information. Maybe only by man, cases by man. Yeah, could be. Yeah, here we have. And we can put here man cases by subcategory. Here we're going to make a little calculation. So let's put here municipio. All the municipios here on the data. Here we have. Very interesting. Exactly. And let's make a calculation here to reduce this population, this calcul of data here at 30%, because by 0.3. Exactly. Why? This is 0.3. Okay, let's put it here, and this is going to indicate me some part of the population only, because I want to reduce this population. So let's put here, and we are going to put the calculus. We are going to rename it 30%. Let's put here. No, put here probably, yeah, but as a discrete. Exactly. That's it. Great. No, error here. So we have the 30% and the total, and we are going to put the total of the columns. Analysis. We are going to put the total here and final totals of column. That's it. Send, and we are going to put here data cases detailed. That's it. Let's look for another one. Probably the comparison between men and women tasa, but we are going to make here a graphic. So let's put here the tasa hombres and the tasa mujeres, and let's put like a graphic. We must have a dimension. Okay. Probably by indicator, could be. This is going to be an account. No, this is not working. Let's put like this. No. Probably. Let's put here some hombres, and we put like, no, this is not working. I don't know why. Okay, let's put another way. It's really difficult to work with this database. Okay. Maybe it could be this. Year and main taxes. Why? I understand. Yeah, I understand. Maybe that by year. This will be a relevant information. And we're going to put like this. No, this is not a really understandable graphic, so probably no. I don't know if maybe this is one that could be more understandable. Let me see. This could be. This is very interesting. So, number of cases by year. And okay, so we're going to create all the sheets that we need. Here we go. And let's put together here. Okay. We're going to filter. We're going to put here the year as a filter. Could be here the subcategory also as a filter, and we put the municipio here. No, maybe here could be better. And let's put here the total cases, and we can analyze better each year and each subcategory, the total of the cases. Let's see. Let's put here, I don't know, maybe that's it. By year we can find, and here the subcategory. Okay, let's put the name. Here is the cases by municipio, filtered. Let's put here another one. Let's put in a table all this information that could be relevant, but by subcategory. Men cases, women cases, tax women and tax men, tax women, sorry. And we're going to put the totals. Totals of the columns and totals of the rows. Here we go. No, there, great. The totals by subcategory. And we can find here another map. I'm going to put here the map. And we are going to change not only the first one was cases. We are going to the total tax. That's it. And we're going to put here a bigger. That's it. Great. This is a. Oh, and we can also change the colors. That's it. Interesting. Great. And this is going to be total tax. I don't know how do you say this in English. By municipio. And finally, we're going to make here the the indicators. I want to do something with this, but I don't know how to relate it. That all could be great. Yes, and we can edit probably to make it better. That's it. Oh, interesting. Let's put here and indicators. No, this is going to be data high indicators. That's it. Well, let's do our dashboard. Sorry, this is not. Here we have the this. Sorry, again, I failed. Here, dashboard. I'm going to put a little bit bigger here. Fix no automatic and float votante. And let's put all the information that we have in our. Let's quit this. This is not interesting. Sorry. Later ubications. Colombia. Cundinamarca. That's it. Great. Cases by. That's it. Let's put smaller. That's it. And cases. Data cases. Number of cases by year. That's it. Cases by recipient. Exactly. Totals. Let's put here. Exactly. Sorry. And that's it. Total tests. Let's quit this. This is a map, and this is interesting. Let's put here this, and this is going to be here. Here, exactly. And we can zoom this. And finally, the data. That's it. Here we go. Here we have all the things that are interesting for us, for our analysis. That's it. And finally, we are going to make the story. This is the dashboard. And finally, the story. First of all, here, cases by municipio. Let's put here the total cases by subcategory, men, women. The comparative also, comparative cases, the unfiltered by, well, we have a filter here. Another one cases, that's it. Man cases. Another one we have. Detailed cases by municipio. That's it. Here we have cases by year. Heat, because we have another. We have here some colors. Cases by municipio. Cases by municipio filter. And totals by subcategory. The total TAS map, total TAS, and this is the total total data by indicator, and finally our dashboard. Probably is going to be a little bit organized, but this is difficult to make in a little. This is dashboard. That's it. Okay, I'm going to save it with my name here in 14 final, and we're going to okay, Andrés Felipe Franco Lozano. That's it. Thank you so much, and I appreciate all your information. Bye, teacher.